The tornado has caused plenty of structural damage throughout our area, but for many people, the emotional impact is just now starting. And this morning, there is free mental health support that is available.
Let's get on out to our Diamond Palmer, who's live in North City this morning with how behavioral health response is helping survivors recover. Diamond?
Well, Cindy and Rennie, it's simple. If you're feeling stressed, anxious, or really just not yourself during this difficult time, Behavioral Health Response says they are here and they are ready to help you. We know that this EF3 tornado left behind much of the debris right here scattered across North St. Louis, like at apartments like at this, but it also left behind this emotional toll, this damage that people are facing emotionally. We want to let you know about these resources. So Behavioral Health Response says they have 40 clinicians scattered across the city, many of those right there in North St. Louis where the help is needed. They say if you need support, call it 988 or 314-469-6644. This connects you to a 24/7 crisis line. They'll check if you're safe, then connect you to the right help. Walk-in locations and partnerships are available with the O'Fallon YMCA, Urban League, Friendly Temple, and 100 Black Men of St. Louis. And parents, be sure to pay attention to your children. Mental health experts say children with tornado trauma can carry it with them for a lifetime.
Whether they were living through the last tornadoes or they were here during COVID or they were here during all the racial unrest, these kids had disruptions to their class, their learning, their ability to socialize, their community building. So there's a lot of space and gaps that we are going to have to fill in terms of our industry really being able to reach out and connect to these children and making sure that they have the support that they need.
So Behavioral Health Response says trauma may not show up right away, and mental health experts emphasize that emotional aftershocks from a disaster can come in many waves, affecting people differently over time, especially, of course, children. If you are struggling to sleep, eat, or don't feel like yourself, they say it's a sign that it's time to get help right now. So Behavioral Health Response, actually here on Delmar across the street from us this morning, actually returned to their building yesterday morning because they had damage as well from this EF3 tornado. They say their clinicians, their employees have been impacted by this tornado as well, losing their homes and their cars, but they're continuing to treat people for their concerns, which really just lets you know how much this tornado has impacted our community. Reporting live here in North St. Louis, Diamond Palmer, 5 on your side.